friends, welcome to my channel. I am Nilaman here. Today I am going to teach you physical education chapter number 1, changing trends and careers in physical education. In my previous video, I have taught you about career options in physical education. I have taught you about teaching career in physical education, then coaching career in physical education, health related careers. Today I am going to teach you administration related careers. Today my topic is here administration and performance related careers. Administration and performance related careers in physical education. So these 3 points are discussed in my previous videos: teaching career, coaching career, and here health related careers. Today it's turn of administration related career. So let's start it today. Today you are going to learn about here administration and performance related careers in physical education. So owing to increased sports participation and sports related business, there is a need for individuals trained in sports management. Now administration related career opportunities are available in various fields such as sports administration, management of sports, clubs and facilities, sports marketing and promotion, etc. In Western countries, colleges and universities offer undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in sports management, but in India it is in the beginning stage. Now management and administration are taught as a subject at both here levels, university and postgraduate level. In the field of physical education, there are various fields within physical education where administration is required. In fact, administrators are required not only in teaching areas but also in the areas not connected with teaching, such as sports program. The careers related to administration in physical education are: first is Department of Physical Education. So in this, first is Department of Physical Education. Here, Department of Physical Education. So there are many universities and colleges in India where various courses of physical education are being taught. In such departments, the administration lies in the hands of chairman or head. He or she is the sole administrator of the teaching department. Teachers of physical education and other clerical staff work under the chairperson or head. The senior teacher of the department usually act as the chairman. In India, there is no need for separate management qualifications for such a post because it is typically based on seniority. Then comes sports department. Sports department. You are going to learn administration related careers. Number 2 is sports department. There are many job opportunities related to administration in sports department. The post of director of sports exists in almost every university in India. The director of sports is responsible for the administration of various programs of games and sports. These posts may be found at district level for schools competition. The designation of AEO sports or ADEO sports is given to them. There may be the post of assistant director of sports at the university level to assist the director of sports. The director of sports is responsible for the administration of men's and women's sports and games. He or she supervises coaches as assistant and assistant coaches. The director of sports must be knowledgeable regarding the rules and regulations of sports competitions, including the eligibility of sports participants. His or her other jobs are fixing of dates for competitions, arranging officials and planning for transportation, lodging and boarding. He or she is also responsible for preparing the sports budget also. State sports departments have also administration related jobs such as district sports officer at district level, the coaches of various games and sports and other official work under his or her administration. Then in Western countries there are also intramural or campus recreation programs. These programs have also expanded to include not only students but faculty and staff members also. The administration work is performed by the director of intramural or the director of campus recreation. Their main responsibility here their main responsibility is to promote participation. His or her other responsibilities are approximately same as in the sports department. Then industrial recreation. Industrial recreation. In this, nowadays, many multinational companies and national companies are providing recreational and sports opportunities for their employees. These companies lay stress on the health, fitness, and well-being of their employee because health and fit employees usually have more capacity to do work. They can increase the production, which is in the benefit of companies. Therefore, these companies need qualified professionals to direct these activities. The responsibilities include establishing a program of activities, setting up teams schedule for competitions and supervising the programs related to fitness of employees. The director of industrial recreation is the designation in such companies. And the next point is sports facilities management. It is sports facilities management. This is number 4 point of administration related careers. Sports facilities management. There are always a number of people and organizations who want to have sports facilities where they can do exercise for remaining healthy and fit, or for the purpose of recreation they want to get facility of here gymnasium, health club, fitness center, stadiums, sports complexes, ice arenas, and aquatic center or swimming pool, you can say. In such fields, facilities managers are required. The requirement of such facilities is more in Western countries in comparison to India. In fact, we are lagging behind in this field. The sports facilities manager may perform all the responsibilities by himself or herself, or may have assistants or several staff members under his or her direction. He or she may have to perform additional responsibilities, for example, in health or fitness club. The facilities here manager may also teach exercise classes or monitor individuals' workouts. His or her main responsibility is the safety of individual using the facility. He or she should be sure that the facility and equipment are maintained according to the accepted standards. In stadiums, the facilities manager must ensure the safety and well-being of spectators and participants. Job opportunities are growing rapidly in this field. Which field? This administration related field. So next it is performance related careers. Now it's the performance related careers. As player, as official. So as player, what is their performance related career as a player? A large number of sports persons participate in various games and sports throughout the world. They participate at various levels such as inter-school or college level competition, district level competition, state level competition, national level competition, international level competition, Olympic games, etc. But only highly skilled performers reach at the top level. Sports persons who are most successful in competitions usually seek a sports career. The job opportunities are greater than in the past, but number of individuals in the professional sports is very limited in Western countries. Whereas the job opportunities in India are very limited owing to less number of professional sports. Many sports scholarships for good sportsmen are available in India at various levels. The careers of those who pursue sports career are for short duration. In India, good sports career is available in cricket, lawn tennis, and marathon race. Many jobs are also available for skilled sports persons in government and private sectors, such as in defense services, banks, companies, or industrial corporations, railways, etc. In Western countries, many sport persons in such sports are baseball, basketball, football, hockey, athletics, golf, boxing, tennis, etc. earn more in decade of employment than an average worker during a lifetime vocation. The professional players related to New York Yankees get highest salaries in the world. Martina Navratilova is currently one of the world's highest paid sports person through commercial advertisements. There are so many examples in India also, especially in cricket. The sports persons who want to pursue professional careers in sports may fail to get professional ranks or have to leave the professional arena after a few years. Then as officials, the smooth conduct of sports tournament or competition depends on good officials, as it has already been discussed. The performance of players remain for short duration. Generally, it is a career of approximately 10 years. After that, sports persons may pursue the career as officials because they know the ins and outs of the game. They are perfect in playing that particular games. Such type of job opportunities are available as part-time officials or full-time officials. There are various officials in tournaments such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, scorer, etc. Their requirements depend on the number of tournaments held every year. It is also a good career related to sports and games. Even college students earn some money by officiating in inter-college sports competitions. Many former sportspersons turn to officiating as a full-time professional career after sports career. In this career, an individual must have the participation experience and qualification to meet the standard set by the particular sports organization. In officiating, not only the knowledge of the rules is important, but one must possess good officiating mechanics also. A good official must be able to work under pressure. Officiating can be challenging career, but in India it is still in budding stage as less number of competitions are held in comparison to Western countries. In the next video, you will learn about careers in communication media as sports journalism, book writing, sports photography, book publishing, sports broadcasting, marketing, sports industries. Okay, so whatever is taught, watch it carefully and listen carefully. Listen carefully and accordingly prepare your notes. Here learn, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. God bless you. Thank you.